used to work at a psych hospital and had an opportunity to see an admissions ledger from IIRC, the 20s. It listed DOB, date of admission, and the reason for admission. The reason people, especially women, were admitted to a psych hospital was barbaric. Smoking, drinking in public, masturbating, inconvenience to the husband. A woman could be locked in one of those premium black Nurses Matter shirt because she inconvenienced her husband. It is very similar to the Magdalen laundries in Ireland. Women got sent there if they were attractive, had a boyfriend, got pregnant, got abused or raped, were unmarried, had an affair, loads of reasons. Premium black Nurses Matter shirt, tank top, V-neck, ladies' tee for men and women, tank top, V-neck. We had one lady who was committing when she was in her 20s. By the time the system changed enough that the goal was to get patients well enough to live on their own and discharge them, it just didn't work with her. She had lived there for 50 years. And it was home. She was committed back to the premium black Nurses Matter shirt. So she really had no real family. There were probably 2 generations of nieces and nephews who either never knew she existed or had been told she died. Fortunately, she loved the staff in the ward and they all thought of her as a. So at least the last part of her life she was comfortable, loved and treated well. Still tragic. Official premium black Nurses Matter sweatshirt, hoodie, sweatshirt, hoodie. That was my thought. The horrific way mental problems were handled back then were truly atrocious. And from what I understand, it wasn't unheard for men to get rid of their wives by claiming they were crazy and putting them in an institution. It really is a shameful area in history. There's no mental health care and no understanding of mental health apart from demon possession. And bringing dishonor to the premium black Nurses Matter shirt. It's even worse if you're a woman, poor, and or in your country. When people talk about what happened to Mary Dofor like it isn't still happening. That disrespects and glosses over the terrible reality of millions of people with mental illness. Other products.